Ano bang kadahilanan mo na yung mga bagay na dapat mong gawin ngayon, hindi mo muna ginagawa? Tanging ikaw lang ang makasasagot. I have said this before when someone asked the question, when is the best time to plant a tree? And the answer was 20 years ago. When is the best next time to plant a tree? The answer is today. My dear friends, my brothers and sisters, because yesterday is already history, tomorrow we are not sure. What we have is today. If you take things for granted today, you might miss your greatest opportunity. The Lord be with you.